Hi students, I'm going to show you a couple tips for watching videos in FlipGrid in closed captioning, and also how to use the Immersive Reader. The Immersive Reader can help translate the text for you so you could read it in a different language if you need to. So this is an assignment that I gave to my students. If I hit the play button right here, it's going to be a video of me here. And I've already have the closed captions turned on, but the closed captions are right here. And you can see when I play the video,
Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Smith.
There's no closed captions down here. But if I hit this box, it's going to turn on the closed captions. So it's just going to put words down here as I'm speaking. The words are going to be down here in English.
I just wanted to go over the book review.
If you need more help than that and you want it to be translated in your own language, you're going to go over here to settings and you're going to go to Immersive Reader. And what this is going to do, it's going to take everything that I say in the video and it's going to put it into text, okay? The play button right here will replay the text.
Hi everyone, and this is Mrs. Smith.
Okay, this button will let you decide if you want a female or male voice, if you want it to go faster or slower. Over here, you can change the text. So if you want it to be bigger, smaller, if you want it to be more spaced out, if you want to change the color, all your options are here. Grammar options are right here. So if you want to show the syllables, you can. If you want to highlight the nouns are all in purple. The verbs are in red. Adjectives are in green. Adverbs are in yellow. You can absolutely do that. And then over here is the reading preference. So you can do line focus. Do you want to show one line at a time when you're reading? Do you want to show 3? Do you want to show 5? It gives you options here. The picture dictionary. So when I click on words here, it's going to replay the words for me, but it also will have a picture dictionary. So this is the word book. So it has a picture of the word book. So I can hear it.
Book. And
I can also see it. Okay, and that's called the picture dictionary. So right now it's on. And then you can change the whole entire language of the text. So I'm going to turn it into Arabic, okay? And I'm going to put the entire document. And now what it has done, it has put my original here, and then now I also have it in Arabic here, okay? So if I hit play, it's going to read it in Arabic to me, and then I can see the original here as well, okay? Another option you have is, let's just say you need the word summer in Arabic, okay? So now that I have that turned on, I have summer in English, and then I have summer in Arabic. And then I also have that picture here too, okay? So that is by word. I have that turned on, and then I also have the entire document turned on as well. If you just want to do the words, now when you click on words, you'll just get both here, okay? But if you want the entire document, you want to go ahead and select entire document. And that is how to use the Immersive Reader in FlipGrid, okay? There's one other spot that you can get to the Immersive Reader, so that's when you're watching a video. But if you click right here, so I have instructions right here that I gave my students. If I click right here, it's going to open up the Immersive Reader again, and this is going to be for the text. So it's going to be for those instructions. So here's my instructions here, and the exact same things apply here. I can play it.
Watch the video for instructions.
I can go over here and I can change my language. So this time I want to do Chinese, and I want to do the entire document. So now I have Chinese simplified here, and then I have the original text here, okay? So that is the Immersive Reader that you can find in FlipGrid. If your teacher gives you an assignment in FlipGrid, that's where you can find it.